Welcome to How to SEO. And this video I'm going to tell you about TikTok monetization, how to make money with TikTok. The rise of TikTok monetization, turning view into revenue. TikTok, the short form video platform, has exploded in popularity, captivating audience and fostering a unique space for creators. But behind the entertainment factors, many users see the potential to turn their content into a source of income. While achieving substantial income solely through TikTok require dedication and efforts. Various avenues can be explored to monetize your creativity and audience reach. Understanding the option. Here's a breakdown of the prominent method for making money on TikTok. The TikTok Creator Fund. This program allows creators with a minimum of 10,000 followers and 1 lakh 100,000 video views in the last 30 days to earn a share of a poll based on factors like video views, engagement, and region. It's crucial to note that the income generated through this route may not be substantially initially. Brand partnership and sponsorship. As you follow base and engage in grow, brands may reach out for collaboration. This could involve sponsor content creation, product placement, or brand ambassadorship opportunities. The earning potential varies depending on factors like brand size, reach, and your negotiation scale. Affiliate marketing through TikTok. Partnership with brands through affiliate program allow you to earn commission by promoting their products with their content. You will receive a unique link, and whenever someone makes a purchase through your link, you will get a commission. Selling your own product and services. Do you have a creative product like line or offer a service? TikTok provides a platform to showcase your offering directly. Utilize in-feed video to highlight your product and incorporate link to your website or online store in your bio. Live gift and tipping. During live stream, viewers can send virtual gift that convert into diamonds within the app. These diamonds can be exchanged for real money. While some platforms offer similar features, the income generated through this method might be inconsistent. Monetize through creativity. TikTok Creativity Program Beta. This program offers access to additional features like live question and answer session, monetized tool, and analytic insight for select creators. Select virtual events and challenges. Host live events or participate in sponsored challenge to potentially earn income. Build a sustainable strategy. Monetization succeed hinging on audience through and engagement. Audience grow and engagement. Here are some keys to consider. Content is king. Focus on creating high quality engaging content that resonate with your target audience. Experiment with different videos, formats, trending topics, and challenges to find your niche and build a loyal following. Consistency is key. Regular posting content is crucial to stay relevant and keep your audience hooked. Develop a content calendar and schedule to ensure consistent upload. Community engagement, response to comments, participate in trends and active interact with your views. Building a strong community foster loyalty and engaging further engagement. Here are some other leveraging analytic. Utilize TikTok analytic tool to understand your audience demographics, content performance and engaging metrics. Additional tip, you can read this: staying compliant, adhere to TikTok community guidelines and term of service to avoid penalties or account suspension. Exploring additional platform, consider using other social media platform to cross promote your TikTok content and potential reach a wider audience. Monetize potential, focus on building value. Conclusion, TikTok offer a dynamic platform for creative individuals to build our personal brand, content, connect with a global audience and explore various avenues for generating income. Remember, consistent effort, audience engagement and a strategic approach are essential for minimizing your earning potential. I hope so you like my video. If you like my video, please don't forget to subscribe my channel, like my video and share with others.